Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Elisa from Elisa's Creations. I hope you're well and having a lovely day. Today I've got a project share for you. I have made a 5-folder using a gorgeous kit from the craft room from Shabby Art Boutique. I will leave all the details from the craft room in the description box below, together with the link for her Etsy shop and also her blog. She has lots of freebies. All you need to do is subscribe to her newsletter, and every month Korean will send you a new password that you need to enter in order to download your lovely freebies. I absolutely love this kit, which is the Eleanor Diaries one. I've created a 5-folder out of a large envelope. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. There's at the bottom, there's lovely lace. I'm sorry, but my desk is really small. I live in a teeny tiny studio flat in London. I have a tiny desk, and for now, this is the maximum I can show. I will work on another way of showing my entire project better. But as you can see, I've done lots and lots of layering with the roses from the kit. I've also layered this gorgeous journaling card. I put a bow, and here you can see some sari silk ribbon that I purchased from Amazon. So if you open this up, look at this. So let's start from this part. I've created a pocket. I've done some layering with a journaling card and one of the paper doily from the kit. This one, it was part of one of the big backing paper. I fussy cut these lovely roses. Inside, I've created an altered glassine bag, and with some scraps, I've created these lovely booklets. I had some scraps from the kit, and I also used some scraps from the tea-dyed paper that I had. I just glued down a paper doily, which I tea-dyed, and glued these lovely birds as well. I love the letter like this because it's like there's some mail for you. So I thought this idea was cute for that purpose. I hope you think that too. Here I've created a booklet. This is a bookmark which is attached to the booklet. The idea was to create a bookmark that is also paperclip. So the way I called it was a bookmark paperclip, because sometimes when you journal or when you're reading a book, you have the bookmark that is like this. You leave it inside, but it doesn't stay attached. You can actually drop it and lose it. So I was like, let me do something for this. So I created this bookmark, I laminated, and I also created this altered paperclip, which you attach to the bookmark, and you attach it like this to your page. So this way it stays like this and doesn't move. So in the inside, there's lots of stickers in here. Inside there's like a mixture of paper, some design paper from the kit, and some tea-dyed paper. And these bookmarks goes like this. I forgot to mention that I've created a pocket inside the 5-folder. And this is a lovely booklet I created with some journaling cards. There's a total of 6. And I've punched some holes, and I've tied some ribbon as well to place them together. Here there's an altered paper clip with one of the fussy cuts from the kit. There we go. This is the old project. I hope you enjoyed it and you are gonna make one of your own. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you'd like to see more content about junk journaling, paper crafting, and planning. I will see you in my next video. I wish you a lovely day. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.